Hey guys, welcome back. And before we get into this video, I want you to know that this is a luxury bag video. Okay, so if you are not the type of person that likes to watch videos that are not dupes, then this may not be the video for you. But this company right here, easyluxury.ru, the link is going to be down below. They have a wide variety of products. They have jewelry, shoes, clothes, handbags, and they update their website every single day. They have many new products that are up and old product models that are down. That makes their website always show new models and very low prices for products that may be at an out-of-stock rate. Okay, they are reasonably priced, and they are not like some other websites that mark up their products too high. All of the prices on their website are calculated strictly at the factory price. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into this, and then I will show you guys the product. I have not opened it or anything. I got the box open, but I have not pulled it out. So let's pull it out and see what it takes. Now, this did come FedEx, so if you're wondering about shipping time, it did not take a long time. I would say probably a week, if that, 5 to 7 days. FedEx, so it comes, you know, from a good shipping. They use a good shipping company, and as you can see, it's very well packaged. So we're going to get into this package. So I wanted to open it on film. So we're going to take that off, and we're going to get into the package. And then I'm going to show you guys the website. So give me one moment. All right, you guys, one thing I cannot say, this thing was wrapped, okay? This thing was wrapped, just so y'all know. So now we're going to get into it. Your package will come securely wrapped. All right, this is the Easy Luxury RU card that comes with it. Here is information here, and the information is going to be in the beauty bar down below. It is a purple card. It's really, really nice. Really nice purple card. So there is a thank you cards in here. So I will take a picture of these and put them on Instagram, Facebook, and it will be down in the beauty bar down below, okay? And they just thank you for your purchase and let you know if you have a problem with the product at any time, you can contact them. Your satisfaction is their first goal. Absolutely love that. So let's get into the bag. So I was sent this bag, so let's get into it. As you can see, it is going to be MCM. All right, so let's see. I'm super excited. I mean, y'all, the packaging, I mean, they make sure your bag comes like, baby, this thing was so tucked away. Y'all, it's so adorable. It is so adorable. Look at her. Oh my God, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Let me tell you guys a little bit about this bag, okay? This is absolutely gorgeous. There are, the card is in here. I'm gonna open it up. And it has these two cards in here. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me tell you a little bit. Oh, this is beautiful. First of all, it's pink, so it's beautiful. But this is beautiful. Let's get into the details of it. All right, so this is the MCM shopping bag. This is model number 4044-0161 if you want to go to the website to purchase the bag. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, it is a small bag, so this is like a handheld bag you would take like if you wanted to go out, girls' night out, brunch, baby shower, dates, something like that. This is the bag that you would use. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to pull up the details of the bag. I just want to let you guys know that there are several versions of this bag. There is a bigger bag like this as well if you're interested in bigger. This one, the weight is 1.5 kg. Right now it's on their site retailing for $129. It is 18.5 centimeters by 19 centimeters by 9.5. It is absolutely beautiful. It comes in the signature brown color. It comes in the black color. and it comes in the pink color, okay, if you are interested, okay. As you can see, it comes packaged very, very nicely. It is absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. Here is the bottom of the bag, and I'm going to give you guys just a little bit of light. Hopefully it doesn't do too much light, because sometimes it will drown it out. But the bag is pink. Here is the bottom. Here is the top with the MCM there and the number on it. This is the back of the bag, and you got a little pocket right there. Little pocket right there. And I'm going to take the paper out of the bag. I cannot wait to carry this. All right, we also have the strap here. If you want to carry the bag on your shoulder, there is the shoulder strap that clips in to, pull out your link, the link right there. Shoulder strap just goes into the link. Okay, once again, there is a MCM card in here. I always keep my cards. And if you look down in here, you do have a zipper compartment right here. So you have a pocket on the front and a zipper compartment on the inside. It is absolutely beautiful on the inside. I absolutely am in love. I am in love. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to style this. I am going to show you guys this bag with me and my outfit. I do have somewhere to go with my girls, and I feel like this bag would be perfect for me to take out to hang out with them. So stay tuned, and I will show y'all my look of the day with this beautiful bag. Now, before I go to the look of the day, there is a coupon code, Renee, R-E-N-E-E. All the information is in the beauty bar down below. All right, coupon code is Renee, R-E-N-E-E. The link is going to be down below. I need you guys to click the link to shop. Let me show you the website if you are interested. Like I said, it's not just this bag, okay? I'm going to turn the flash off so it doesn't drown out the website. We're going to get into the website here. All right, guys, so getting into the website, as you can see here, they do have clothes. They have Christian Dior. They have jackets. Here's the Dior bags. They do have watches. They do have jewelry, you guys. If you're not into bags, they do have the Balenciaga track shoes. If you're not into handbags, but you're into jewelry, or you're into shoes, or you're into clothes, here is the Gucci. They also have belts. They have boots. We're getting into that season, so you want to grab your boots. If you wear sunglasses and you are a sunglass girl, not bad. $38, $36. You may want to look into that, you guys, especially since I am giving you a coupon code to use. They have scarves, glasses, accessories. Here is a list of the brands that they have on their website. Okay, Rolex, Versace, just to name a few. Dior, Hermes, Movado, Invicta, YSL. Yes, there we go. Absolutely beautiful. Everything, something to fit everybody's price range. As I showed you before, they have stuff from $36 to $200 to $800. It just depends on what you are choosing. And this is top quality luxury products. Top quality luxury products. Okay? And if you can't spend money right now, at least go ahead and click the link and get your shopping cart ready, okay? So when you're ready, your items are already in your shopping cart. And if you see something that you like, go ahead and use my coupon code and make your purchase. I love, love, love my bag. Oh, they have cart here. Okay, let's get with it. Yes, I'm going to have to check that out. Nothing is missing from this website. They have not left out any designers, as you can see. So let's get into this outfit of the day because I am super excited to carry my bag. All right, guys. So I am stepping out today, and I am in pink. My pink pants, pink and black pants, and a pink shirt. And I'm going to step out today with my beautiful bag. This bag is absolutely awesome. It's good for what I want to do today. I don't want to do much. I don't want to carry much. There's a pocket in the front. Let's see. Now, I have a iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I think it's going to be, let me see if it's going to fit with this big old case on it. It doesn't. You have to have smaller than an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not to worry, because you can put your keys there. And that way you can easily grab your keys, but not to worry, my phone easily fits into my bag. So I just have my phone, my wallet, a lip gloss. You always have to have a lip gloss. I have a pen, because you never know if you're going to need a pen. I'm not going too many places. I have everything I need in here. It is not heavy. Remember, it does come with a strap, so I can wear it as a crossbody if I want to have my hands free. Most of the time, I just carry my bags on my wrist like this. But if I get in the store and I get to moving around too much and shopping too much and going through clothes, I will put the strap on. I do have it just in case. And then I can let it hang as a crossbody. So let me show y'all the strap just so y'all can see. All right, we have the strap on. I'm going to bring it down so y'all can see how far it lays. This is actually the front of the bag with the emblem on it. The pocket sits in the back. And here is the strap. So if I get into a store and I'm flipping through clothes, or I'm digging through something, or I'm trying on a pair of shoes, my bag is always with me. My bag is on me. It's protected. And it sits like right at the waist level for me. However, there are notches here. So if you want to make the strap shorter or longer, you can. If you're taller than me or shorter than me and you want to make the strap shorter or longer, it is absolutely not a problem. You can make it hang longer so it's out of your way, or you can make it hang shorter so it sits a little bit further up. Totally up to you. And you can also just carry it on the side, how we normally carry purses. If you just want to carry it on the side like this, you are more than welcome to do so. And like I said, on the back side, either your phone or your keys can fit in there, and you are good to go. So I'm super excited to carry this baby out today. Y'all know pink and purple are one or two of my favorite colors. It is absolutely beautiful, and I love a dainty bag. Even though I carry a lot of big bags, there's just something about a cute little dainty bag when you're headed out. All right? Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will click the link down below and check out their products and find something for you, your mom, your sisters, your daughters. The holidays are coming up. These would make perfect gifts for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for the opportunity to review your bag. Any questions, comments, put them down below. If you make a purchase, I want to see what you purchased. So send it to me, do a video, or tag us on Instagram. And also, if you plan on making a purchase or which one that you like on the website, put it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.